Hello, everyone. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with a new jewelry design technique class. In this class, you will learn how to make and create this wire wrap ring. This ring is adjustable. It will fit any finger. It's also gorgeous. And you can wear this ring several different ways. So if you think that this would be a technique that you would like to add to your list of skills, please reach out to me. I'm going to leave all my information down inside the description box. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day.